What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roseanne, and we're back with another video. And today we're doing a simple Valentine's Day look. So we're just gonna jump right in. As you guys can see, I'm using my James Charles palette, and I'm going in with that light orange shade, and I'm putting that all over my lid. Now I'm going in with the pink shade and putting that all over my lid. All products that I'm going to be using in this video will also be down in the description box, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now I'm going in with the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette, and I'm going to be using that light pink shade to deepen up my eye. Now I'm going in with that same palette, and I'm using that light pink kind of shimmer color, and I'm patting that all over my eyes. Before this, I didn't show it in the video, but I did go in with a light pink base. So you can use any light pink shade that you have and just use a shimmer on top. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. For this look, I did not do a wing. I just wanted to keep it really simple and just put the eyeliner there to just give my lashes a good pop. Now I'm going in with my Bad Gal mascara by Benefit Beauty. Now for primer, I will be using the Milk Hydrogrip primer. I love this primer so much. It creates a good consistency so that your foundation literally sticks to your face. Like, it literally grabs onto your face. I definitely recommend this primer. Now for foundation, I will be going in with the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation. And this foundation is top of the line, 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend you go out and buy this foundation. It literally melts straight into my skin. Now I'm going in with my Tarte concealer, and I'm using the shade Medium Tan. Now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place foundation stick to contour in the shade Zambia. As you guys can see, I'm letting my concealer dry down a little bit more to create a more full coverage look. And I'm going in with my Morphe angled sponge to blend out my concealer. I highly recommend the sponge. This was my first time using it, and I have to say that it made my blending out my contour was so easy because of that angle flat side. So I highly recommend this sponge. Now I'm going in with a Real Techniques brush just to blend out my contour. Now to brighten up my face even more, I went in with my Tarte concealer in the shade Tan. Now I'm going back in with my same Morphe sponge to blend out my forehead and my chin. I went in with more of my concealer just to brighten the areas up around my mouth. Now for my favorite part, I'm going in with my Sasha Buttercup in the shade Banana to set my face. After I set my face, I went ahead and put glue on my lashes, and I got those lashes from the beauty supply store. And now I am taking a Real Techniques brush and I'm going to pat and dust away that powder. Off camera, I did go in and put on my lashes, and now I'm going to bronze my face with the Morphe bronzer in the shade Trailblazer. Now I'm just going to clean up my contour using the same setting powder. I'm going in with a Ulta Beauty black eyeliner. I'm just going to put that in my waterline. I did that off camera, and now I'm going to smoke out my other eye with that same pink shade using a pencil brush. Now I'm going in with my Real Techniques brush to dust away that leftover setting powder. Now I'm taking my foundation brush and I'm just patting everything in to make sure everything went on flawlessly. I'm going back in with my mascara just to put on my bottom lashes. Now I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder and I'm just going to set my whole face with this powder. Lastly, I'm going to go right back into the Trailblazer bronzer just to contour my nose. I'm blending out my contour on my nose using the same beauty sponge. Now I'm taking a Too Faced, I think this is the holiday edition, blush and highlighter, and I'm just applying that. You guys will see me going back over with my sponge just to blend out the highlighter and the blush because I didn't want it too harsh on my face. Okay, so I just used the Fenty lip gloss in Diamond Milk. And this is the final look, guys. I love how this makeup look came out. Usually I don't really like eyes, but this came out mad nice. Like, I'm a bird, but yeah, I really liked how this look turned out. And you already know, so for the final thing, I'm using my Morphe continuous mist spray. I'm about to just spray my face real quick. Oh, that locks everything in. I'm just gonna let it dry down, and I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender. Oh, I'm gonna actually go with the same Morphe sponge and just pat everything in. Make sure everything is set. Voila. So yeah, guys. Guys, I hope you guys really like this video on this little cute Valentine's Day subtle. It's to be honest, to me, it's really simple. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you guys in the next video.
This a Mack truck, not a black truck. When we move, tell them back.